Okay, this is my pound USD trade on January 11th, last Friday, 2019. And this is an entry here. You can see red candles drop into this red line. This is the support and resistance line here, 2705, a very strong number. Your red candle turns blue candle, and this indicator from all the way down going up. That was a setup. My entry is here. Price went up, came down, and went up all the way to 28.64. I didn't close it. I was supposed to close it, but I wanted to make the chart to show to my clients, so I didn't close it. Okay, so this is one of the trade on Friday. This is also on the 11th January 2019, pound yen. This is also bouncing from beautiful 37.76 number, and I'm showing on this small chart where the number is. This is the high here, 37.76. 39.29 is right there, and we just passed that, and we went straight up to 39.29. Right, so from here to here, easy. Whatever the amount of pippage, you can see this is my entry, buy entry, and SL move to break even. And look, red candle turn, blue candle bouncing from the support area. This is what the system is all about. My Magic IB system, precise entries, by the book, calculated. Another trade on 11th January 11, last Friday 2019, Aussie CAD. And look how beautifully it was trending in Cape down here. This was an entry. I didn't take this one, but this is the one, and this is my buy entry. SL is at the break even and gone with the wind. And Friday also, this one, 11th January 2019, you can see the date here. The entry is here, buy entry, bouncing from this beautiful support area. 31.87 is a strong support in USD-CAD. And not a big trade, but still something, right? And let's see, before that was the same Friday again, pound CAD. This is the big one. After pound news, price just bounces, and there was another news before, I guess, and for the Canadian dollar, which made the Canadian dollar weaker. Pound was strong and big move, and then it came down here. Beautiful, and this entry by the book, right? And indicator all the way down, coming out, red candle turn blue, buy here, and 170 pip from here to here. This resistance 70.53. It's a weekly low area. Before that was on the 10th January, Thursday 2019. Again, you can see EUR-CAD. This was an entry. This was an entry. This was this system gives you so many entries. It's just you have to see or know that which way it is going to go now, up or down. So it will be going either way. It's gonna be making waves. But my analysis, what I do is I do webinar, and I give the analysis in front of my subscribers. And I give them the direction that, okay, this pair is gonna go up, so take only long. So you could have taken this here long after blue candle start here, here, here. Any one of these places, you would not lose anything. All you do is you make some money, or not, right? But you don't lose anything. For example, if you make an entry here, it goes up here, you come and sit and break even, it comes back, take you out with no loss. Same thing here, but here probably you will save if you move the your entry the break even. It will not hit, but this one, it went up, right? So this is how it is. Let's go take a look at on the 10th again, 10th January 2019. This is a sell order here, which is USD franc 20-minute, and it's a nice drop and poke into this area, and then went up, gave me the entry, and went down. This is because of the USD weakness. Similarly, if you look at this one, this is just the opposite, EUR-USD. Because of the USD weakness, it went up, came down into the wave. It indicates all the way down. Red candle turned into blue. Right there is my entry. SL I moved further here later on, and it went up all the way, and then it started coming down here, and I closed somewhere here. I remember around R1, monthly R1, I closed the trade. So this is what the system is all about. It is very precise, and obviously I'm not showing here, which I do all the harmonic patterns are involved. I get wave And I teach all of that in my webinars, which I do Wednesday 4 o'clock and Sunday 4 o'clock p.m. Wednesday and Sunday twice a week. And I do live analysis and talk to my subscribers and give them the charts, the reasons, and explain everything, and teach them also all about the harmonic patterns and Elliott wave and SNR levels, how to draw trend lines, the whole 9 yards. Okay, you can watch on my YouTube. Let me just show you that this is what I have. See, this is my YouTube channel. So you have tons and tons of videos here, right? So you can see how I do my trading and my weekly recaps, CAD yen, Euro-Aussie trades, Euro USD and franc, all of these weekly recap. It's a lot of videos here. And this is let me see, this is my Twitter page here. This is my Facebook here, okay, and this is my website here. You can go here and you will see all the trades, the previous trades and previous webinars are here. You see this previous webinar recording. This is only subscriber only area with the password. Once you subscribe, you get to go there and you will see all of those webinars, which let me see if I can, if I have remember. Let's see if I can get in, if I remember the password correctly. I think that's what it is. So you see, it's just I have too many tabs open here, so it's my computer. See, all of these webinars, recording, previous webinars which I did, hundreds of webinars here, all the recordings to learn from. You can see that how I did, what I said and what happened. And if you go on here on my website, this is my website, right? Okay, so yeah, here monthly subscription page, where you can go and subscribe. You can subscribe using this button as well. But here you go and you can see all the previous trades as well here, all the previous week. This is the last week, right? And then you go after a little bit down here. This is the week before, and you can see this. The setup is just the same. You have to just rinse and repeat. Look, this pair is going up, and this pair is coming down. What is the difference? Just the opposite, mirrored images. Because this Aussie on this pair, Aussie is on the left hand side. This pair, Aussie is on the right hand side. So because of the Aussie strength, this is what's happening. Euro Aussie going down, Aussie yen going up. This is because of the Aussie. This is one of the things that I cover individual indexes, and I teach where to get it and how to read them. Very, very helpful. Okay, and all of these trades, see, beautiful entries. One, the first trade, second trade, and this is, see, the sell order here exactly after this blue candle turns red, and I made the entry. And you have a trade in hand. Here it dropped right on this top here. Buy entry and gone, right? Here resistance, entry, this is entry, this is the current entry here that I'm showing. Small one, yeah, but yeah, I had this one as well. Okay, so here look, buy, buy, buy. Every time it comes down here, this one was the entry, this was one the entry, this are the entries, right? Even if you lose here for like maybe 20 pips here, but how many pips you make? Okay, that's how it is. So this is it for now. If you want to join me and learn and get the system and learn how to use it, just go on my website here at forexmagicwave.com, subscribe and become a part of it. Tomorrow is Brexit vote day, very, very busy. I have no trades whatsoever. There was a one trade, but it's just fluctuating, and I'm sitting on a break even. I think, let me, yeah, see this Euro Aussie bouncing from here, from 58.88, right? And let me show you where the 58.88. This is how I work. Okay, the 58.88. You see this is it, 58.88. Okay, I have made all the charts, weekly charts, monthly charts of all the pairs and indexes, just like that. All the highs, the lows, the bullets, and everything. And whenever whoever subscribe, I give you the templates for these things, and you just apply the templates open a chart, apply the template, and you will have the same thing on your computer. So when I'm doing the webinar and I talk about these numbers, that okay, like I said, coming down to 58.27, but need to be very careful. So it was coming down to this number, 58.27, and being very careful means that it can bounce without touching it, and this is what it's trying to do. But everything now on hold today or Monday, January 14th, right? Because tomorrow is a big, huge day, and everybody's waiting for that. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like what you saw, want to be part of it, and you want to get a hold of this whole strategy, the whole system, and learn how to use it, don't waste time. Go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Have a great and wonderful day.